Welcome to my recipe diary. Today we're making restaurant-style chicken fried rice and delicious flacious flavors. It's quick, easy, and better than takeaway.
You'll need cooked long-grain rice, boneless chicken, eggs, carrots, soy sauce, sesame oil, black pepper, salt, and cooking oil.
Heat the oil and sauté the garlic until fragrant. Add the chicken, season with salt and black pepper, and cook until golden. Push it to one side and gently scramble the eggs until soft and fluffy. Add the carrots, green peas, and sweet corn. Stir fry until just tender. Mix in the cooked rice. Add soy sauce and sesame oil. Toss everything together over high heat. Every grain is evenly coated. Finish with freshly chopped spring onions. Give everything one final toss. The rice should stay light and fluffy, while every bite is packed with juicy chicken and colorful vegetables.
Serve hot and enjoy this delicious restaurant-style chicken fried rice with your favorite chili or soy sauce. If you enjoyed this recipes, thanks for watching and happy cooking!